Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue with the atomic structure. Let's start understanding about the atomic number, atomic mass number, and what is the relative mass number and relative atomic mass number. There are so many terminologies that we will be studying in this chapter, atomic structure. Let's start. So the very first terminology that we understand is atomic number. So the atomic number is basically atomic number of an element is basically equal to the number of protons. It is nothing but number of protons. Why? Because protons are the only subatomic particles which are the charged ones. So the number of protons in the atom of an element is equal to the number of number of protons is equal to the mass of the atom. So अगर मुझे बोलना है, मुझे अगर ढूंढना है किसी एटम का मास, तो अगर मैं उसके प्रोटॉन का मास ढूंढ लेती हूँ तो मुझे एटम का मास भी मिल जाएगा. So number of protons is nothing but it is in the atom of an element minus since the दूसरा चीज़ कैसा है पता है, जो न्यूट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो न्यूट्रली चार्ज होते हैं और नंबर ऑफ एटम्स जो रहते हैं वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज है. तो एटॉमिक नंबर ढूंढने के लिए ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. वाई? बिकॉज द मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज नेग्लिजिबल. सो आई कैन राइट नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स is equal to number of electrons. ठीक है, since electrons are negligibly charged. Okay, so the atomic number of an element is also equal to the number of electrons in the atom of an electron. Thus the atomic number, that is Z, is nothing but it is equal to the proton, mass of proton or number of protons, which is equal to number of electrons. So this is how you find out atomic number of an element. See, do you know how is atomic number placed? See, I'll give you an example of nitrogen. Nitrogen in periodic table is written like this. The symbol is N. The atomic number is written here 14, and then you have atomic number here, and atomic number is written at the bottom, and the mass number at the bottom, and the atomic number at the top. So the atomic number, that is the 7 here, and the mass number 14 is how you get this calculation. Like you write the symbol of the element, ऊपर क्या लिखेंगे हम, atomic number लिख देंगे, नीचे क्या लिखेंगे, mass number लिख देंगे. ये क्या है, सिंबल, और ये 14 क्या है, मास नंबर. I want you to jot this down. Okay, so this was atomic number. The next one is mass number. So mass number, which is denoted with A, this side A. number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay, so mass number is nothing but it is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus making up the nucleons. Since the electrons carry negligible charges, the mass number of an atom is almost equal, is basically nothing but the added up summed up mass of number of protons and number of neutrons. Electrons को गिनना ही नहीं है क्योंकि उसका चार्ज और उसका वेट anyway negligible है. So it is nothing but mass number is equal to number of protons upon number of neutrons. This is how you write the mass number के लिए formula. So total number of protons and neutrons together makes up the mass number. Okay, ठीक है. हाँ, so we'll just find one of the mass numbers. We'll find of atom of hydrogen. Before that, you need to copy this down. I'll give you the example to calculate mass number. क्या था mass number के लिए formula? A is equal to P plus N. So we'll find out for hydrogen. ठीक है? हाइड्रोजन के लिए एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर करके we'll find out. हाइड्रोजन में we have P is equal to 1 and N is equal to 0. P कितना है, प्रोटॉन्स कितना है, 1 P and 0. ठीक है. So we know 1 P, so electron is equal to proton which is equal to 1. So ये क्या हो गया, एटॉमिक नंबर, that is Z. अभी ढूंढना क्या है, A क्या है, P plus N. So P is 1, N is 0, so this is also 1. So you get the atomic number, you get the mass number, both of them is 1. So how do you write hydrogen 1 upon 1, like 1 ऊपर 1 नीचे, atomic number and mass number के हिसाब से. ठीक है. Next example that we take is of atom of carbon. This was atom of hydrogen. Now we take the example of atom of carbon. So atom of carbon, P is equal to 6, P 6 है, E 6 है and न्यूट्रॉन भी 6 है. ठीक है. You make the structure. This is the nucleus. ठीक है. So how do you find out atomic number? Atomic number is mass of protons. So mass of proton कितना है? Atomic number is P plus E. P is equal to E, which is nothing but 6. ठीक है. Atomic number मिल गया. Mass number कैसे ढूंढते हैं? Mass number is P plus N, which is 6 plus 6, that is 12. So atomic number is, mass number is 12. So how do you write carbon में 6 और यहाँ पे 12? Jot it down फटाफट. So you've got the atomic number Z, you've got the mass number as 12. mass number हमेशा ऊपर लिखते हैं एंड मास नंबर हमेशा नीचे लिखते हैं, एटॉमिक नंबर ऊपर. Okay. The next topic that we are understanding is atomic weight, that is RAM, relative atomic mass. Okay, let's understand. Mass of an atom determined by indirect method is found to be very small, it's very negligible. They were taken in comparison with other particles such as hydrogen and carbon to have a standard comparison and to have a standard idea of it. So relative atomic mass is equal to number of atoms is equal to number of times one atom. हम क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास ढूंढ रहे हैं जो एकदम स्टैंडर्ड रहे. वन एलिमेंट ऑफ एन एलिमेंट is heavier than the mass of the atom of hydrogen. ठीक है. Next, number of times one molecule of the substance is heavier than so this was one atom when you take hydrogen and one molecule when you count with respect to carbon. One molecule of a substance is heavier कितना heavier than the 1/12 mass of carbon. So when hydrogen one atom का comparison and when carbon 1/12 का comparison. That is how you find out the relative atomic mass. Copy this down. The next one is molecular weight. Okay. Relative molecular mass RMM बोलते हैं इसको. This is equal to number of times one molecule of the substance is heavier than the mass of an atom of hydrogen and number of times one molecule is heavier than 1/12 of an atom. So this is also same thing given here. One molecule and यहाँ पे one molecule है, यहाँ पे one atom है, यहाँ पे one molecule है. So everything is same, only here the difference is one molecule. Same चीज़ है बाकी सब कुछ. Of a substance heavier than the mass of an atom of hydrogen. Mass of hydrogen, mass of atom of hydrogen. Same चीज़. Okay. And number of one molecule of a substance ये भी same ही है. Same रहेगा, standard रहेगा. One molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 mass of the atom of कार्बन, ठीक, ये सब तो सेम ही रहेगा. Okay, with this we continue with electronic configuration, isotopes, and how do you understand what is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is when you find out that how many orbits में how many electrons are present and how do you represent this. So for that we will understand later that how electronic configuration and valency works. Till then copy this down फटाफट से. You should know how to calculate relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass, RAM and RMM. फटाफट कॉपी करो ये. Okay, so with this we have understood about how subatomic particles are brought together and calculated to find out the atomic mass, the atomic number, the molecular mass, relative atomic mass, and relative molecular mass. Okay, so in the next session we shall understand more about electronic configuration, isotopes, valencies, and arrangement of elements in the periodic table. Till then, see you.